Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what you simply have is me installing my breakers into the panel, balancing up the panel correctly, and also installing my power wires. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave a like and share the video. You can also comment in the comment section, and also please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So this one actually has the tail. It's a 15 amp arc fall breaker, dual function. This is a 20 amp, I don't need this one yet. For the hood fan, you'll get an arc fault. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hope you guys all have happy holidays and enjoy. Okay, hello and welcome to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. This area is just a smoke area. As you can see, I have, because of the wood being so thin, I have my protection plates to protect the screws from going into my wires. One plug, one TV outlet, sump pump. There's going to be a stairs that's not finished yet. A couple more wires here, one outlet, my protection plates, my switch. And then I have in the ceiling, if you can see, I have my protection plates, they're called, with pot lights. And one center light here, and another center light here. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage is very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top. So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video.